Hey everyone, my name is Mars, like the planet, and this is Housewarmin. We are starting off this video in the car because I just got back from Home Depot with a load of plants in the trunk. So if you are not familiar with our garden space, this space has been a labor of love ever since we moved in 2021. It first started off with a bunch of rocks and pavers and only 4 huge boxwoods that we ended up taking out. And this has honestly been a process of trying to get this garden the way that we wanted. I am not an expert when it comes to plants outside. I'm more of an expert when it comes to indoor house plants. So I really just try to err on the side of cheap and easy. I like to buy plants that are from my local garden center that are on sale. And I like to buy plants that are from Home Depot. I really do not like spending over $10 per plant just because in case it dies, I really don't want to be in the hole for like $50 or something like that. But being in Louisiana, we have very hot summer days. It also gets very wet because it rains almost every single day during the summer. And then sometimes it can get pretty cold. So I want to pick plants that are perennial, that are really hardy, that aren't going to just die just because it's too hot or too wet or something like that. So these plants are just trial and error. I'm definitely just buying plants that I think are going to work in our space. We have an east facing garden as well as a west facing garden. So these are going to get nailed by the morning sun as well as the afternoon sun. So also, if you are wondering about what plants maybe you should buy for your garden, I look around at your neighbors' gardens. What is thriving in their area? What is thriving around your city? And maybe that will give you a hint of what does well maybe in your garden. So with that being said, we are going to get started. I'm going to get all these plants unloaded and then let's get planting. Bye.